She married a prince, but now it looks like Meghan Markle's eyeing a billionaire team. When she first stepped into the royal spotlight, it was all tiaras, fairy tales, and fanfare. The Hollywood actress who snagged the world's most eligible royal. A love story made for headlines. But today, that fairy tale is cracking at the edges. Because Meghan's royal dream has turned into something else. A high-stakes, California-style drama where the crowns are gone, but the ambition is louder than ever. Let's be honest, Meghan didn't just fall for Prince Harry's charm. She saw power. She saw brand potential. And for a while, it worked. The wedding was a spectacle. The world watched in awe. Overnight, she became global royalty, without ever needing to be born one. But after the cameras dimmed, reality hit. No royal paycheck, no palace, no servants. Just a Montecito mansion with sky-high bills and a husband who's famous, but not exactly billionaire famous. Harry's inheritance, modest. His royal privileges, gone. And now, he looks less like a prince, and more like a stressed dad running errands in California. Meanwhile, Meghan's empire, the one built on fame, feminism, and fairy tales, is losing air. Her Spotify deal collapsed, her Netflix projects barely made noise, and her lifestyle brand attempts turned into memes. That's when the whispers began. When a brand like Meghan's starts to slip, she doesn't sit still. She pivots. And insiders say she's already making moves. No, not for a new PR team. For something bigger. Billionaire big. Rumors swirl through Malibu's elite circles. Meghan's back in those glittering social pools where tycoons and tech giants swim. Think Silicon Valley moguls. Think men who own islands and fly private for breakfast meetings. She knows how to move in those rooms, where to show up, what to say, who to stand next to. It's no coincidence she's been seen at exclusive galas, talking mental health and sustainability, while locking eyes with the ultra-rich. And one name keeps floating up, Elon Musk. Now, is there anything real there? Probably not, but just whispering his name keeps Meghan in the headlines. That's not luck, it's strategy, because Meghan Markle isn't playing the Duchess anymore. She's auditioning again, for her next role, the billionaire's muse, the global brand, the solo empire. Harry was the fairy tale, but now, he's starting to look like a supporting actor in her sequel. Behind closed doors, sources say the tension's real. Harry wants peace, Meghan wants power. He's craving normal life, she's chasing her next reinvention. Insiders even describe them as professional roommates. Same house, same headlines, but completely different goals. And Meghan's next act? Already in motion. She's working with new PR powerhouses, plotting ventures under her own name, not Meghan and Harry, just Meghan. Her appearances now? Solo, polished, purposeful. No more awkward interviews or couple branding moments, just her, in sleek gowns, commanding billionaire-filled rooms. Because make no mistake, this isn't about romance anymore, it's about survival. The Montecito mansion burns cash, the brand is slipping. And the allies? Oprah's quiet, the Obamas are gone, even Tyler Perry's keeping his distance. Hollywood doesn't wait for has-beens, and Meghan knows it, so she's rewriting her story. One billionaire handshake at a time. Divorce whispers are growing louder. Legal teams, sources say, are already preparing, just in case. Meghan's been talking about freedom, independence, and rebranding as a solo powerhouse. She wants to walk into Davos or the Met Gala, not as a duchess, but as a visionary. And Harry? He gave up everything, his family, his homeland, his royal honor, for her. But maybe, in the end, that was never enough. Because she wanted power. He wanted peace. And you can't build a kingdom when both rulers want different thrones. If Meghan plays her cards right, her next chapter won't come with a crown. But it will come with private jets, billionaires on speed dial, and front row seats at every power table that matters. And maybe that's been the plan all along.